what bonds us, what brings us together is the amount of care and love that we have for our brothers. It's nobody's responsibility, but it's all of our responsibility at the same time.
It wasn't that I wasn't alive, but I wasn't living, and this race is living. Fight or Die is a gold standard for the representation of the veteran community.
Don't let anything keep you from living your life. Don't take it. That's not the answer. Get with a fellow veteran and talk to him. Stop taking your lives and start living.